Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome little doorbell that we have here. I love that it is battery powered out here. It connects to a little hub that plugs in, and then when you ring the doorbell, when you press it, you can change the sound. There's like a million different sounds. It's so cool. I love that there's such a variety with that. So you can do like different songs or a typical like doorbell sound. You can just have like so much fun with that, which is so cool. It was really easy to set up. It comes with like a sticky grippy part that you can stick onto whatever type of house you have. Obviously we have siding here and it sticks on really nice and well. It's not going anywhere, which is awesome. And then so this is how it works. You press the button. You can hear the doorbell ringing. As you saw, the light lights up, so you know that it is working, which is nice as well. I hate when you are like, does this doorbell work? I don't know. So this is a telltale sign that it is working. So I definitely recommend this. I think it's a great thing to have if you don't have a wired doorbell yourself, and I think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.